This is Jen Judkins with Teaching Forward. In this tutorial video, we'll take a look at how you can create interactive images with Google Drawing. We'll walk through the basic steps, which involves creating a drawing from an image, overlaying shapes and hyperlinking them, making those shapes transparent, and downloading the finished product as a PDF. You first start by creating a new Google Drawing. Go to New, More, choose Google Drawings. Here's an example of a drawing I created. I've added a bunch of different images and I want to make each of them clickable. To do this, I need to insert a shape over top of where I want to hyperlink. And once I have the shape, I can insert the link by clicking the link button, pasting in the link. Now, of course, I want to make the box transparent so you don't see it. So while it's selected, I just go up here to Fill Color, change this to transparent, and also be sure to change the border color to transparent. Now this is layered on top of the image and the word, so anytime that's clicked. Once you do that for each of the parts of the drawing or photo that you have, you just export the file. So I'm going to download it as a PDF. Once your file's as a PDF, you can hover over any of the parts of the image and click to navigate to those links. Thanks for watching. For more ideas on using technology in your classroom, check us out online at teachingforward.net.